Good morning, everybody. My name is Tej Bahadur Thapa, mathematics teachers, and today I am going to start class 8 mathematics, and topics is loss and profit. Loss and profit. Some formula are here. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. When SP is greater than CP, and to loss, if you find the loss, then CP minus SP. If CP is cost price is greater than selling price, then it makes here loss. Cost price is greater than selling price, so in that condition now here loss. And third, percentage of the profit. If you find the profit percent, if you find the profit percent, profit actual profit or means profit upon CP into 100%, profit upon CP into 100%. And next, 4, loss percent actual loss upon CP. Profit and loss, always denominator is CP in 100%. Next, number 5, if you find the selling price, if P percent and CP is given, if P percent and CP is given, then 100 plus P percent upon 100 into CP. And next, number 6, SP but less percent is given. It is given to profit percent. If the loss percent is given, 100 minus L percent upon 100 into CP. And next, 7, find the cost price. Find the cost price and selling price and profit percent are given. SP into 100 upon 100 plus P percent. Or number 8, CP is equals to SP into 100 upon 100 minus L percent. Nine, market price or mark price is CP plus always cost price plus expected profit. Expected profit. Expected plus cost price, it will be mark price. 10, selling price is MP minus mark price minus discount, then it will be selling price. And if you find the discount percent, discount is equals to, or discount percent, discount upon 100 into market price, discount upon 100 into mark price. And listen once more please, profit is equals to SP minus CP. If selling price is greater than cost price, then it will be profit. And loss means cost price is always, cost price is greater than selling price, then what's it makes loss. And discount percent, profit percent means actual profit upon CP into 100%. Next, some related question please. Some questions are here. Now in question number 1, a person bought a cycle for Rs 1500 and sold it for Rs 1200, then find his gain or loss percent. Question number 1, solution. First of all, solution. Question number 1, a person bought a cycle for Rs 1500, bought, cost price of CP, cost price of a cycle, CP is equals to what? RS 1500. And next, selling price of a cycle SP is equals to RS 1200. Look at here please, which is greater, selling price or cost price, which is greater? Now here cost price is greater than selling price, cost price is greater than selling price. So now loss or profit here, CP greater than SP. So now here profit or loss, CP is greater, it makes here loss. Loss is equals to what's? CP minus SP. What is cost price? RS 1500 minus 1200, RS 300 is lost. Again, loss percent, loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100%, and loss means 300 upon cost price is 1500 into 100%, 0 cancel, 15 20 times, hence loss percent is loss percent is 20%. It is required answer. Clear everybody? cost price of a cycle is 1500, selling price of a cycle is 1200. Now here cost price is greater than selling price, so it makes here loss. Loss is equal to by formula Cp minus Sp. Value of Cp is 1500 and Sp is 1200. Now here 300 is the loss. Then again loss percent is equal to loss upon Cp into 100%. What is loss? Loss is 300 upon Cp is 1500 into 100. 0 0 cancel, 2 0 2 0 cancel, 15 20 ja 300. So 20% is required answer. Clear everybody? And next continue the question. Please question number 2. Question number 2. An article is sold in Rs 528 at a loss of 12%. At a loss of 12%, find its cost price. What is its selling price? Its selling price is 528 and loss is equal to hers 12% and cost price is equal to what? By formula, you know formula cost price. If the selling price and loss percent is given, then we using the cost price formula of the cost price by formula Cp is equal to Sp into 100 upon 100 minus L%. What is selling price? What is selling price? Selling price is 528 into 100 is 100. 100 minus loss percent is 12%. Calculate please here. 52800 upon what's 88. Divide please here. 52800 divide by 88. Find the value please using the calculator. What is the value of this? Hence, the cost price of articles is this one. Which one is required answer? Please divide 52800 divide by 88. Clear everybody? If you find the cost price, if the selling price and loss percent is given, that's using the formula Sp into 100 upon 100 minus L%. If you given here profit percent, Sp into 100 upon 100 plus P%. If the P% is given 100 plus P%, if loss percent is given 100 minus L%. And next, similarly please, question number 3. What is the questions? Yes, an articles bought for Rs 1050 is sold at a profit of 20%. Find its selling price. Number 3, an articles bought means cost price. Cp of articles, Cp of an articles is equal to R as 1050 and profit is equal to profit is equals to 20%, CP is given and profit also given, and find the selling price. Means SP is what? You know everybody, SP means SP. SP means hundred plus P% upon 100 into cost price. Next, our CP is equals to what formula? SP into 100 upon 100 plus P%. Please cross multiply SP into 100 and CP bracket 100 plus P% and SP is equals to 100 plus P% by 100. Using the formula, SP is equals to SP plus 100 plus P% by 100 into cost price. By formula, SP is equals to what? 100 plus P% by 100 into cost price. 100 is 100 plus P% means 20 into cost price is 1050 by 100. It is 120 into 1050 by 100, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 105 into 12, 10 carry over 1, 1 2 0, 2 1 2, 1 5 5, 1 0 then 1 1 0, 6 2 1, 1260 RS 1260. Hence, what is that? That is SP. Hence, selling price of articles is what? RS 1260. It is required answer. Or that's, if you using this formula also, then cross multiply, find the selling price. Clear everybody? Once more please. Questions. First of all, question number 3. An articles brought for Rs 1050 is sold at a profit of 20%. Find its selling price. Cost price of an article is 1050. Profit is equals to what? 20%. And selling price is equals to what? By using formula, selling price is equals to 100 plus P% upon 100 into CP. And 100 plus P means 20% into CP means 100 upon 100. Then using SP is 1260. Next please. Yes. Dear student, please, my time is over. So, some questions are here. Question number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Please try yourself. Question number 1, 2, 3. Same similar questions. I already practice, please. Question number 1, 2, 3. Same similar question, please. That is your homeworks. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye. Have a nice day.